So I have here cream dory fillet, but you can use any kind of fish fillet na meron kayo. Napaka-simple, salt and pepper. Ito, one whole lemon. And ito, garlic. Around 3 pieces tayo ng bell pepper. At just 2 tablespoons of water. Plain water lang yan. Spring onions. Okay, so 1 suito or cilantro. Okay. Yan. Tapos 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. So next step, very easy. I-combine lang natin lahat to. Ayan, itong ating sauce, i-pour natin siya sa ating fish fillet. Ayan. Okay, tapos